Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're zeroing in on a pretty concrete pathway into cybersecurity.
Okay.
It's the cybersecurity degree program at North Central State College. We've looked into what they offer.
Mm-hmm.
And, well, the goal here is to give you a clear sense of what it involves and where it could lead.
Right.
What caught my eye right away was this dual focus they have, teaching you not just how to, detect cyber attacks, but also how to actively defend against them.
Yeah, that's a really key balance, understanding how attackers think and operate. Well, it's fundamental if you want to build solid defenses.
Makes sense, knowing the playbook from both sides.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts then. What specific technical skills are students actually picking up?
Well, the program seems very hands-on. They really concentrate on detecting and fighting off attacks aimed at network infrastructure.
Okay.
So this means learning to use specific tools, kind of like digital Swiss Army knives, you could say, that are designed to strengthen network security.
So less theory, more practice.
Definitely. You're getting your hands dirty with the tech used out there in the real world.
And speaking of the real world, certifications seem like a huge part of this. I mean, the list is pretty impressive. That's quite a lineup.
Oh, absolutely. And those aren't just, badges. They're benchmarks.
Mm-hmm.
Employers recognize them. They value them.
Right.
Take the certified ethical hacker, for instance. That shows you understand attacker methods, which is, well, vital for defense roles. They can really give graduates a leg up.
Yeah, I can see that. But it's not all about the tech, is it? I saw they also really push problem solving and communication skills.
Yes, and that's critical. You can't just sit in a dark room coding.
Right.
Cybersecurity involves teamwork. You need to be able to explain complex technical stuff to people who aren't tech experts. Managers, clients, and that point about lifelong learning, so important.
Now, a big thing for people thinking about studying is often flexibility. How does this program stack up?
Seems quite good, actually. They offer in-person classes, hybrid models, and fully online courses, too.
So it caters to different situations.
Exactly. Whether you're just out of high school, or maybe a single parent juggling things, or an adult looking for a career shift, those options make it much more doable. It removes a big barrier.
Yeah, that accessibility is key. And let's touch on cost. They mention low tuition and that many students finish with little or no debt. That sounds amazing, frankly.
It really is a huge draw.
Mhm.
Investing in education is important, but you don't want it to saddle you with crippling debt. Affordability makes this path much more attractive.
They're part of the Amazon Academy for AWS training. That sounds like a direct link to industry.
It is. Amazon Web Services, AWS, it's huge in cloud computing.
Yeah.
Getting that specific training and potential certifications is a major plus, especially with cloud security being so critical now.
Okay, so someone finishes this program, they've got the skills, maybe some certs. What kinds of jobs are realistically on the table?
Well, there's a range. You could start with something like IT help desk, or move into roles like information security analyst that's monitoring for threats, responding,
Okay.
or digital forensic examiner figuring out what happened after an incident. Even penetration testing, that's like being a good guy hacker, finding weaknesses before the bad guys do.
So, thinking about that huge need for skilled cyber folks and what a program like this offers, maybe a question for you, our listener, is
Hmm.
what first step could you take, even a small one, just to explore if the cybersecurity field might be a good fit for you, something to mull over?
Definitely worth considering.
Thanks for diving deep with us today.